Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you view the password of saved Wi-Fi's in your iPhone. So first of all you have to open settings. Now click on Wi-Fi. Here you will see all the Wi-Fi's available and you have to go to your saved Wi-Fi's. So click on edit. It will use your Face ID to open these saved Wi-Fi's. Now all the known networks or saved Wi-Fi's are visible here. You can view the password of any of them. If you want to view password, then you have to click on this eye icon, and now you have to click on password, and now you can view the password of this Wi-Fi. You can also do the same thing to the connected Wi-Fi. You have to click on this eye icon and now click on password. It will use your Face ID and then it will show the password, and this is how you can view the password of saved Wi-Fi or connected Wi-Fi in your iPhone. Thank you everyone.